Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that are these paranormal incidents, these supernatural incident or these supernatural accounts, the kind of accounts that people give that, they might have seen a demon in front of them, or they might have seen an angel in front of them, or they might have seen a fairy in front of them, or they might have encountered an alien and they went on a galactic tourist destination with those aliens and then came back. I'm obviously joking, but is there any truth to all these accounts of supernatural things, of paranormal things, of all these things? Uh, by the way, there are certain places in the world where not just one, not just two, but many people have claimed to have had supernatural experiences, paranormal experiences that are out of this world. There are certain, quote unquote quote unquote places that are considered traditionally haunted. So I do not know. I you know what? I don't even want to know. I don't even want to go to those haunted places because I am kind of I am not the bravest person in this world. So yeah. But the point that the the point that I'm trying to make is this: is there any truth to these paranormal incidents, to these accounts that people give that they might have had encounters with aliens, they might have seen a creature that seemed out of this world, that seemed to have come from a different dimension, that seemed to be something out from a video game, a fantasy video game. So are these things real? There are actual people who give accounts that they might have seen that they might have seen mermaids, that they might have seen the fairies. There are actual people who believe that fairies are real. Now imagine the surprise that we would get when we find out that maybe out of all these 100 things that people are claiming that are true, they're claiming to be true, maybe one of them is true. Maybe you understand the point that I'm trying to make. Maybe time travel is possible. Maybe someone, there are people who say that I have come from the future or I have come from the past. These kinds of accounts have been told. I guess I think I read something like this somewhere. So what if people might have actually time traveled to the past or time traveled to the future and we might not even know about it? What if we are surrounded by those kinds of people? What if someone might have found out the actual location of the fountain of youth, and they are drinking that elixir of immortality? What do you call it? The elixir of immortality, and they are basically living a quote unquote immortal life because of that drink. So what if all these things, some of them are real? How would the world even react to that? I mean, the US government has released footage that they say is of two disc shaped, maybe two disc shaped objects, or maybe just one disc shaped object that is just hovering over the ocean off the coast of California. And two US fighter jets intercepted this unidentified flying object, quote unquote UFO, and it was the kind of motion that this UFO was showing was very erratic and very strange. It did not seem that craft, or that flying craft, did not seem man-made. Did not seem to be something of human origin, or something that might have been made by humans, because the kind of motion from maybe from just over the surface of the ocean to just shooting up maybe 1,000 feet or 2,000 feet. I don't remember the exact account, but it just shot into the sky within a blink of an eye. Which aircraft can do that? Which aircraft can basically take off from the ground, or from just above the surface of the ground, to basically thousands of feet above the ground. Which aircraft can do that? Tell me. At least man-made aircraft. Or maybe governments around the world might be hiding secret technology that they might have got from aliens around the world. I do not know. I am just entertaining all kinds of conspiracy theories. It's fun to talk about these sometimes, I have to say. It's fun to talk about conspiracy theories sometimes. But what if one of them is true? The Catholic Church sex abuse scandal, people thought of it as a conspiracy theory, and then it turned out to be true. So what if, after all this time, the US government says, we have an announcement to make, aliens are real, there have been encounters with them for quite some time, here is the alien ambassador to the United States. My God, that would be such a thing, such a spectacle. We would be looking at an alien as if we are looking at a what, I am not going to say that. I was about to say a really bad thing. I should not be saying that. But we would be intrigued when we take a look at an alien. Imagine what kind of a conversation would someone have. Imagine I had an alien as a guest on my show. Imagine I had a show. Is this a show? I am just a guy talking in front of the camera. So, but imagine an alien was here. Hello, Mr. Wong Chang. Or my God, why does the alien sound Chinese? It's kind of offensive to Chinese people, I guess, or maybe not. Maybe Chinese people would be looking at the aliens and say, oh yeah, aliens have a similar culture to us. They have a similar language to us. They would be elated, I guess. Imagine the aliens are able to speak English. I'm able to have a conversation with an alien without the need for some kind of translation machine. Imagine that. I mean, if they can travel faster than light and come from one corner of the galaxy or from one corner of the universe to Earth, then maybe I'm pretty sure that they might have a translation machine, or they might have learned English by now, I guess, because they might have been looking at what are the people doing on the internet these days. More on this in the next video. Until then, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with the friends and acquaintances, please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. I was not trying to offend Chinese people, Japanese people, all people are good. Sorry if I offended anyone with this. I am just joking. And until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.